Hi friends, today we are going to see CA Mathematics additional problems. Okay, CA Foundation Mathematics additional problems. I know last video we have seen up to 4th problem. Let's start from 5th. Show that this expression is given by, you have 4 options, right? So x to the power of 1 by a minus b whole to the power 1 by a minus c. So we know that x power m whole power n is equal to x to the power of m into n. You have to multiply the powers, right? So here you can write this as x to the power 1 by a minus b into 1 by a minus c. Similarly, x to the power here also, it is 1 by b minus c into 1 by b minus a. Okay, into x to the power 1 by c minus a into 1 by c minus b. Okay. Now if you have x power m into x power n, and it is x to the power of m plus n. So we have x as base in all your terms. So you can write this as x to the power. You can add the powers now. Okay. So 1 by a minus b into a minus c. That is 1 into 1, 1, a minus b into a minus c. Plus 1 into 1, 1 by b minus c into b minus a. Okay. Plus 1 into 1, 1 by c minus a into c minus b. Okay. Now let us write the denominators, terms of the denominators in an order. Okay. A minus b, okay, a minus b, a, then b minus c and c minus a. So we write the terms in this order. Okay, so let us write 1 divided by, it is a minus b and a minus c, but we have to write it in c minus a order, right? So you can take a minus from this term a minus c. Okay, so when you take minus and it will become c minus a. Okay, so when you take minus, then minus will become plus and plus will become minus, right? Again, from this term 1 divided by b minus c, it is right, and b minus a. So we can write this as a minus b when you take a negative from b minus a. So take minus 1 from b minus a, then you will have minus 1 divided by b minus c into a minus b. Again, from this c minus a is in right order and c minus b. So but you have to write it in b minus c. Okay. So take one minus, then it will become b minus c. Okay. Now your LCM is, now let us take LCM. The LCM will be a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Okay. So if we have any doubt in taking LCM, okay, let us find LCM of this. A minus b into c minus a. Okay. Your denominator terms. Now let us divide this by a minus b. So when you divide this by a minus b will get cancelled and you will have c minus a here. And here also a minus b gets cancelled, you will have b minus c. And here there is no a minus b, so you have to write the same term. Okay, so this is as usual. When you take LCM, this is the method. Okay. Now let us take b minus c or c minus c, anything. So when you divide it by c minus c, you will have 1 here and there is no c minus a, so write as it is. Then it is divisible by c minus a, then your answer will be b minus c. Okay, c minus a gets cancelled. Again, now you have b minus c. So let us take b minus c here. Divide the terms by b minus c. 1 and this is also 1, 1. Okay, then your LCM will be the product of these terms a minus b, b minus c and c minus e. So this is your LCM now. Now to get the LCM term, here you are having a minus b and c minus a. Just multiply the numerator by the remaining term. What is the remaining term? B minus c. So minus 1 into b minus c. Okay. In this term, you are having b minus c and a minus b. Just multiply the numerator by c minus a to get the denominator as the LCM term. Right? So minus c minus a. And in this term, you are having c minus a, b minus c. So you have to multiply the numerator by a minus b. Minus this minus into a minus b. Okay. Now this is equal to x to the power, your denominator, and minus into b, minus b, minus into minus plus c, minus into minus plus a, minus into minus plus b. Okay, by the denominator term a minus b, b minus c minus a. Okay, now it is minus b plus b gets cancelled, minus a plus a gets cancelled, minus c plus c gets cancelled. This is equal to x to the power of 0 by the denominator. 0 by anything is 0. X power 0 is 1. Okay, any number power 0 is 1. Okay, next problem is 16 into 32 to the power x minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 2, 4 power x plus 1. By 15 into 2 power x minus 1 and 16 to the power x. So except this 15, all these terms are multiples of 2, right? So you can write the terms in terms of 2 to the power. So taking base as 2, you can write all these terms. Okay, so let us write this 16 as 16 is 2 to the power of 4 and 32 is 2 to the power of 5 to the power x minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 and 4 to the power 4 is 2 to the power of 2 to the power x plus 1 divided by 15 into 2 to the power of x minus 1 and 16 is 2 to the power of 4 power x. Okay. Here this is 5 into 5 to the power. 5 into 5 to the power x minus 1. So your base is same. 5 means it is 5 to the power 1. The terms are in multiplication, so you can add the power, right? 1 plus x minus 1. 1 plus x minus 1 divided by root 5. You can write it as 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Root 5 is 5 to the power of 1 by 2. And it is 5 to the power of 2x. Okay, 5 to the power 2x to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, this is equal to 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power of 5 into x, 5x minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 2. This is 2 to the power of 2 into x plus 1. Okay, 2 into x plus 1 is 2x plus 2. We are using the formula x power m whole power n is equal to x to the power of m into n. Okay, so 2 to the power of 2 whole to the power x plus 1 is 2 to the power of 2 into x plus 1. I am writing it directly, 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. Okay, divided by 15 into 2 to the power of x minus 1. 2 power x minus 1. 2 to the power 4, power x is 2 to the power of 4x. Okay, minus 5 to the power 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 5 to the power x divided by here 5 to the power 2x into 1 by 2, that is 2x by 2. Okay, that is equal to, now you have the same base 2, so you can add the power. 2 to the power of 4 plus 5x minus 2 to the power of 3x minus 2, 2x plus 2. Okay, you have the same base, so you can add the power. 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus 2. Okay, divided by 15 into 2 to the power of x minus 1 plus 4x minus 5 power x divided by 5 to the power of 2x by 2 is x, 2x, okay, 5 power x by 5 power x, that is equal to, now here this is 2 to the power 4 plus 5x minus 2 to the power of 3x plus 2x is 5x, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so this is divided by 15 into 2 to the power of x plus 4x, 5x, 2 to the power of minus 1, okay, minus 5x by 5x, 1, that is equal to 2 power, you can take 5x, 2 power 5x commonly outside, so you will have 2 power 4 minus 1, okay, 2 to the power of 4 plus 5x, this you can write as 2 power 4 into 2 power 5x, okay, same base, so you can add the power. So if you add the power, you can split it like this, 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 5x divided by, so this you can write it as 15 into 2 to the power of 5x into 2. 2 to the power of 5x minus 2 it is. So that is 2 to the power of 5x, 2 to the power of minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Now 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 is, okay, this is 2 power 5x, 2 power 5x, 2 power 5x gets cancelled. Here this is 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 is, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 16 minus 1, it is 15, okay, then 15 gets cancelled. Now you have 1 by 2 to the power of minus 1 by 2 power minus 1 minus 1. So 2 to the power of minus 1, you can write it as 2 power 1, okay. When you take this 2, the numerator, it will become 2 power 1, minus will become plus. A to the power of minus x, 1 by a to the power of minus x is a power x, okay, minus 1, it is 1. So this is your answer. Next problem is x to the power a by x power b whole to the power a plus b into x power b by x power c whole to the power b plus c into x power c by x power a whole to the power c plus a, right? So you can write this x by x power a by x power b is x to the power of a minus b. If you have same base and the terms are in division, then you can subtract the powers. Okay, so x power a by x power b is x power a minus b. Okay, you can write this as x power a minus b whole power a plus b into, here this is x to the power of b minus c whole to the power of b plus c into x power c minus a whole power c plus c. Okay, this is equal to x to the power of, now we are using the formula x power m whole power n, that is x power m into n. So x power a minus b whole to the power of a plus b, so this is a minus b into a plus b into x power b minus c into b plus c into x to the power of c minus a into c plus a. Okay, that is equal x to the power of, we know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so we are going to use this formula for this, that is a square minus b square into x to the power of b minus c into b plus c. So this is b square minus c square. c minus a into c plus a. So this is c squared minus a squared. Okay, now you have the same base and the terms are in multiplication. So you can write this as x power a squared minus b squared plus b squared minus c squared plus c squared minus a squared, which is equal to x to the power of a squared minus a squared gets cancelled, minus b squared plus b squared and minus c squared plus c squared. So your power will be 0. X power 0 is 1. Any number power 0 is 1. So your answer is D. So 8th problem. A plus bth root of x to the power of a squared by x to the power of b squared. That is like cubic root, 4th root. We are having a plus bth root of x to the power of a squared by x to the power of b squared. So you can write this as, okay, a plus b. If you have square root, then square root of x, you can write this as x to the power of 1 by 2. If it is cubic root of x, then you can write it as x to the power of 1 by 3. That is nth root of x means you can write it as x to the power of 1 by n. So here we have a plus bth root of this thing. So you can write this as x to the power of a squared by x to the power of b squared to the power 1 by a minus b. Sorry, a plus b. Okay, similarly here x to the power of b squared by x to the power of c squared to the power 1 by b plus c into x to the power of c squared by x to the power of a squared to the power of 1 by c plus e. Okay, now you have same base x, so and the terms are in division, so you can subtract the powers, that is x to the power of a squared minus b squared, okay, to the power a plus b, 1 by a plus b into x to the power of b squared minus c squared and power 1 by b plus c into x to the power of c squared minus a squared power 1 by c plus a. Okay, that is equal to x to the power of a squared minus b squared. You can write this as a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b. Now last problem we have seen this. A plus b into a minus b is a squared minus b squared. And to the power 1 by a plus b. Okay, so x power m whole power n. So we will multiply the powers, right? So when you multiply this by 1 by a plus b, you will have a minus b. So let us write it directly, x to the power of a minus b. Similarly here you will have b plus c into b minus c. Then b plus c gets cancelled. X to the power of b minus c. Here also you will have x to the power of c minus a. So this is equal to same base and in multiplication. The terms are in multiplication. So x to the power of, you can add the powers, a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. This is equal to a minus b plus b minus c plus c gets cancelled. X power 0 equal to 1. 1 is your answer. I hope this video is useful to you. If so, kindly share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.